What if that nagging, unexplained pain, the tingling, the burning, the buzzing, is a false alarm? A distress signal sent from a battlefield you don't even know exists inside your body? And what if that battlefield is your gut? There is a hidden war being waged within you right now, a conflict between the trillions of microbes in your gut and your body's nervous system. The outcome of this war could be the root cause of your mysterious pain. Today, we are exposing the shocking connection between your gut and your nerves. Most importantly, I'll reveal a simple, powerful plan to help you declare a ceasefire and start the healing process. First, let's survey the battlefield, the gut-brain axis. This is a complex communication highway connecting your digestive system and your brain. The primary pathway is a massive nerve, and the connection is so profound that your gut is often called the second brain. This highway regulates everything from your mood to your immune response. When your gut is healthy, communication is clear and everything runs smoothly. But when trouble starts in the gut, the signals get scrambled, and this can trigger your nerves to misfire with pain. The conflict begins when the microorganisms in your gut are thrown out of balance, a condition called dysbiosis. Think of your gut as a sprawling city inhabited by trillions of microbes. In a healthy city, the beneficial microbes keep everything in order. But when harmful microbes take over the city descends into chaos. This chaos corrupts the communication between your gut and your brain, causing pain signals like sharp stabs, tingling, and that pins and needles sensation. Scientists are continually discovering more evidence that this connection is undeniably real. So how does an unhealthy gut create real physical pain? This internal conflict uses three primary weapons. First, inflammation. When your gut is out of balance, its lining can become leaky. Imagine this lining as a secure fence that allows nutrients in and keep toxins out. A leaky gut means this fence is damaged. Harmful bacterial byproducts can escape into your bloodstream. This triggers your body's defense system. Your body responds with inflammation, swelling, and irritation to fight the intruders. Since your nerves are highly sensitive, this inflammation can cause them to send pain signals without a clear reason. The second weapon is a lack of essential nutrients. Your good gut bacteria are like tiny factories producing vital substances your body needs. One of these is a compound that reinforces the gut wall and reduces inflammation. When bad bacteria dominate, you lose the workforce needed to produce this protective substance. Without it, your nerves are left vulnerable. The third weapon is oxidative stress, which you can think of as body rust. This occurs when there is an imbalance between harmful molecules called free radicals and the antioxidants needed to neutralize them. An unhealthy gut becomes a major source of this problem. The inflammation from a leaky gut generates a flood of these rust causers, which can damage the protective sheath around your nerves. When this coating is compromised, your nerves can send erratic and painful signals. Hearing all this might sound intimidating, but knowledge is power. Once you understand the battle, you can begin to resolve it. If this is making sense to you, click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. It's time to bring peace to your gut and nerves with a targeted action plan. Step 1, reinforce with good microbes. Probiotics are beneficial, living microorganisms that help restore balance to your gut. You can find them in supplements or in fermented foods like certain yogurts, kefir, and kimchi. Look for strains that include lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Studies show that they can help strengthen the gut wall and lower inflammation. Step 2, feed your allies a healthy diet. Your new microbial allies need the right fuel to thrive. That's where prebiotics come in. Prebiotics are specific types of fiber that your good gut bacteria consume. Eating them helps beneficial microbes grow and produce more of the protective compounds your body needs. You can find prebiotics in foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and oatmeals. Aim for a wide variety of plant-based foods. Some experts suggest as many as 30 different kinds per week. While feeding the good microbes, you must starve the bad ones. This means reducing your intake of junk food, sugar, and processed foods that fuel their growth. Step 3, Call in support with vitamins. Sometimes your body needs extra help. An unhealthy gut struggles to absorb all the necessary nutrients from food. B vitamins are crucial for nerve health, and many people with gut issues are deficient. It's wise to ask a doctor to check your vitamin levels. Other powerful allies include turmeric, a spice that helps calm inflammation, and omega-3s from fish oil, which benefit both your gut and your brain. Step 4, learn about advanced medical options. For severe cases, doctors are exploring innovative treatments. One such method is fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT. This procedure involves transferring healthy gut microbes from a donor to a recipient to completely reset their gut environment. While its use for nerve pain is still being studied, it has proved significant relief for some individuals. This is a physician-administered treatment, but it highlights just how deeply your gut and nerves are connected. The war between your gut and your nerves doesn't have to be a lifelong sentence. The tingling, buzzing, and pain are your body's ways of asking for help. By understanding the gut-brain highway and the core problems of inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and body rust, you can shift your focus from chasing the pain to fixing the root cause. Your peace plan is built on 4 pillars: add beneficial microbes, feed them well, support your body with key nutrients, and stay informed about how your body works. You hold the power to restore balance, calm the inflammation, and rebuild the health of your nerves. This is how you take back control of your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know who is struggling with unexplained pain. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you understand your health. Thanks for watching.